launch you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Oh my god, here we go.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los mismos. Gracias.
Alright, looking good. Alright, get those
I got a left, you got a left? I'm going left and right. You're up and down. Yeah, we got to work together on this one. Here we go.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot.
Oh my god, it's very sensitive.
Now let's go get that flight job. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineer.
Oh my god.
Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
There was no break.
That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Oh.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I can go axial.
Oh, that. Oh.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gun. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
Oh, no.
A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hey!
Star Destroyer in front of us. Oh no.
Star Destroyer is collapsing! Let's fire! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We did not die! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be work. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Go ahead and fasten your seatbelts. Make sure you grab all your cargo right this way, please.